Here's a real astronaut in real space with a real magnet. Notice how fast the magnet turns as it aligns north and south. It turns really fast. In the following simulation, the magnetic forces are realistic. Since the magnetic forces rotate the north end of the magnet faster than its south end, because it's near Earth's magnetic pole, centrifugal force accelerates the sphere. The Earth is 200 miles below at the bottom of the screen, and the magnetic dip is 60 degrees because it's located above New York State. The sphere has a mass of 0.46 kilograms, and the magnet also, for a total of about 9.9 kilograms. A servo in the simulation can turn the magnet 30 degrees to keep it swinging. In other words, the magnet will align north and stop, and then we can turn it 30 degrees and it'll start swinging again. The interaction of the magnet with Earth's field accelerates the sphere in the direction of the green arrow. And we have some controls and buttons on the right of the simulation to change some of the parameters. We can press a button to make the magnet turn 30 degrees, or we can set it on auto to turn 30 degrees every so many seconds. And we can adjust that between 1 and 5 seconds. So we see the sphere and magnet reach a velocity of over half a meter per second pretty quickly.